Welcome to the Morningstar Manager Checkup for our analysts' latest ratings updates. We start with the Neuberger Berman High Yield Bond Fund, where Tom O'Reilly leads a team of 4 co-managers. The process combines top-down elements and security selection, while aiming to weed out bonds with a high chance of default. This means limiting downside risk is firmly on the agenda, with 30 analysts involved in analysing credits. We also like the fact that incentives are aligned with investors' interests, and that up to 20% of a manager's bonus goes into a fund they run, which is locked for 3 years. There's been a bit of a mishap performance-wise linked to energy exposure in the last couple of years, but we believe the team and the process remain very credible for exposure to high yield, and we maintain our analyst rating of silver. Next up is the T. Rowe Price Continental European Equity Fund, managed by Dean Tenerelli. He's been managing money in this space for over a decade, but this is a more recent launch focusing on Europe ex-UK. Tenerelli is backed by a strong analyst team in his search for companies with high quality fundamentals, superior profitability across market cycles, and durable cash flow profiles. This is very much a bottom-up approach, where deviating from the index through significant sector and country plays is common. With a portfolio of around 50 holdings, exposure to mid-caps has generally been above 25%. That's double that of other managers in the category, and way higher than 6% you see in the index. Holdings here in the top 10 include Wirecard, SimCorp and Dufry, which are mixed with the likes of Nestlé, Roche and Novartis. There's also a strong risk-adjusted profile, meaning we reaffirm our bronze rating. Finally, we have the Allianz China Equity Fund, led by one of the most long-standing managers in the region, Christina Chung. She's an out-and-out stock picker with a highly concentrated portfolio, and over time, her performance is mainly driven by stock selection. She looks for companies with secular growth prospects or unloved names with recovery potential. Company visits are crucial to gain an in-depth understanding, and these are covered between her and the dedicated 6-member analyst team. At our recent review meeting, she noted that the issue of non-performing loans was easing, and that's linked to the recovery of commodity prices. This has seen an increase in banking exposure over the last year, although it's still a slight underweight relative to the index. We continue to think highly of Chung and her proven investment process, so we maintain our analyst rating of bronze.